So hello friends, today we are going to demonstrate our first assignment. It is related to how we can motivate people in using stairs in workplace environment. So what we have done, we have tried to show the advantage of using stairs over lift in the workplace area, because if you see today's offices, we have multi-floor offices and we have stairs as well as lift, and people try to prefer lift because it's convenient, they are using less efforts and all these. But the using stairs is having additional and unique advantages over the lift. So in this prototype, what we have done is the name is let me burn the calories. So here we are trying to show the people that if you climb one floor or two floor or come down or going down in using these stairs, how much calories you can save, how much calories you can burn. So by this figure, people can get motivated that they should be using stairs over the lift. So I will just wanted to give you the demonstration. So here, if you climb two floors, let's have a scenario that you have climbed two floors. So you just have to swipe it, and you can see, oh great, 10 kilocalories we have burnt and 4 kilocalories, 4 calories while coming down. So if you have just climbed 4 floors, you just have to swipe this area and you can see that. So the basis of this prototype is to give the interactivity and playfulness in the product. So it will make our product more usable and engaging. We could have prepared one poster as well, but that poster will not be much informative. That poster may be informative, but it will not be able to provide the fun. But by this interactive product, we try to give the interactivity and fun to the user. So it will increase the engagement, bring the fun, and it is informative as well, and people try to use stairs more. Thank you.